Good morning. Now, the mayor is calling her plan the pandemic budget, but she says that this may be the toughest vote city councilors may have ever taken. But Mayor Lightfoot believes that this plan will help the city deal with the $1.2 billion budget deficit. Mayor Lightfoot said all options are on the table, but also stated that property taxes and job cuts are on her list, but they are the last of that list. She also pointed the economic collapse due to the COVID-19 pandemic and damage to local businesses from civil unrest is a cause for the shortfall. Here is what she had to say about the budget plan so far.
Every single decision that we're made, I'm pushing my team to analyze every conceivable way so we understand the potential impacts on people's lives. This is not an easy time. These are not simple decisions, and the decision weighs very heavily on me, as it should.
And after seeing on Twitter that the president plans to stop negotiating another stimulus bill with Democrats, which could send millions of dollars to cities like Chicago, Mayor Lightfoot retweeted President Trump saying, by shutting down negotiations that could have brought desperately needed funds to cities and towns all across America, again today, Donald Trump provided further evidence of his failure to lead. Now, the mayor's budget is expected to be heard by city councilors on October 21st. Live outside of City Hall, I'm Glenn Marshall, WGN News.
The rise in COVID